robot workstation integrates welding robots, positioners, welding power sources, self-developed tooling fixtures, wire feeding systems, and other components, achieving significant improvements in welding efficiency and qualification rate compared to manual welding. Key features include high-precision sensors, advanced control systems, and programmability, with applications in automotive manufacturing, pressure vessels, construction machinery, and metal processing. Antron Technology, a leading provider of integrated welding robot solutions, leverages over a decade of experience in custom welding robotics. We specialize in tackling complex welding challenges and delivering customized automation solutions.